Aloha, hey, it's Julie Zimlos from 365 Kona. As you can see, we're out in front of Volcanoes National Park. First time it's been open since May. So we're gonna show you what the interior of the park looks like. We're gonna take you to the caldera and see what is open at this point. And then we're gonna go down to Mackenzie State Park in Pahoa, and we're gonna walk across the lava to Pohiki boat ramp. And we're gonna check out the freshest sand ever on this earth and see how things are. So come along, today's gonna be great. So here is the new caldera right behind me. So you can see that it's deeper and larger, and definitely something you want to come and see here at Volcanoes National Park. There's a really cool video they do of it at the Kilauea Visitor Center that you can see how it subsided. But it's pretty cool to be on the edge. So come and see it. So here I am on the edge of the caldera in the Kilauea caldera, and what is really awesome about this is that we get a chance to be as close as you're going to get. So if you want to come down at this level, you're going to have to take a chain of Craters Road, which is actually closed in 2008, so you have to walk about a mile, and then you get on the trail and you actually find yourself at Kanakakoi Crater. And what's really cool too is we're standing right in front of the 1974 fissure, which opened up just like it did Fissure 8 in Puna, and this whole thing is a geological wonder. So we're loving this one right now. It's worth a walk. Hey, so we're at the Kilauea Visitor Center, and what we're looking at right now is basically a topographical map of this island, and this huge island, the big island. And here is the Leilani Estates flow of 2018, and you can see how little of the island was actually affected. So remember all those times people thought the entire island was being attacked by lava? You can see it was this much. But the cool thing is we're gonna be hiking today, right across there. Stopped before going into the ocean here, but there's 3 outcroppings of lava that are basically between here and Pohiki, and it's pretty cool to think that this thing was coming burning hot right down this hill, and then it just stopped in front of this forest. So the waves are crashing. We already saw a couple of new black sand beaches right here near Mackenzie Park, and it's pretty windswept out here. It's really pretty, and you can definitely feel that there's a sense of renewal. There's some plants already starting to grow, and